Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to My Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen. A single building of car requires thousands of individual parts, and a single airline's engine may require up to 10,000 of the individual parts. Often when purchasing required parts for manufacture of anything, it could be very confusing if the assembly or building of any products requires a lot of individual components. A bill of material is a document that contains all the necessary information of all the materials required to build a product, including information like number of the part, details of the part, quantity, and price of that part. It serves as a foundation of production planning and procurement system. There is also another similar document which we might have seen during purchase of any electronic items. It may contain the drawing of material with individual parts and dimensions. This is called engineering bill of materials or sometimes called engineering drawing. Don't get confused with this document. We are talking about the bill of materials for purchase. A bill of material can be single level or multi-level. It looks something like this. Let's understand what is single level bill of material. Let's suppose we have a cycle factory. Now at the single level bill of material, we could have main components like wheel, body, seat, and handle. At multi-level, these parts could be more subdivided. It contains more details of requirements. For example, the wheels could have rim, axle brackets, tires, air vents, gears, and connecting rods. For multi-level bill of materials too, it could contain the description of individual parts, quantity and cost, product cost, and may contain specific specification. I have given the examples of single level and multi-level bill of materials here. Similarly, other components may also have other subcomponents. So body could have other subcomponents, seat could have other subcomponents, and the handle could have other subcomponents too. So what are the benefits of having such bill of material? As we defined and talked earlier, it serves as a foundation of product planning and control. It helps to estimate the cost of individual materials and overall cost. It helps to plan the material purchase, reduce the unnecessary waste, and keep a track of inventory, and thus control inventory and resources. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this lecture. Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join My Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside My Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.